Welcome to Param Wellness. Today we discuss another disease. So many people are suffers. This disease is autoimmune disorders and Ayurvedic perspective. Today we discuss what is the autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disorder are diverse group of disease characterized by an aberrant immunoresponse where body immune system mystically attack. It can healthy and cells and tissue. This condition including rheumatic arthritis, when the immune system is affected. In this condition, including rheumatic arthritis, multiple sclerosis, psoriasis, inflammatory bowel disease, affect millions of individuals worldwide. People are there. And nowadays, in modern science, exact etiology of autoimmune disease remains unclear. And what current treatment focus on symptom management rather than addressing root causes. As in Ayurveda, prospective autoimmune disorders can be correlated with concept of Agni. Agni is what? Agni means digestive and metabolic fire. Second is Ama. Ama means toxic, indigest, metabolic waste. Third is dosas, vata, pitta and kapha imbalance. And third is dhatu, rasha, rakta, mausha, meda, asthi, majja and so. It's a tissue metabolic impairment. And most probably in dhatu, the rasha dhatu, rakta dhatu and mausha dhatu is most probably involved. Third is ojakshaya. Ojakshaya means what? Essence of immunity in vitality. According to Ayurveda, Ojas is the essence of vitality and immunity. When Ojas is depleted, means Ojas, the immune system loss, self-recognition leading to autoimmune condition. And according to Ayurveda, when the dosa Vata Pitta is aggravation. When Vata aggravation, there may be a rheumatic arthritis, spondylitis, multiple sclerosis, musculoskeletal, neural and endocrine disorder are there. When the aggravation are there, there may be a psoriasis, eczema, vascularitis, urticaria, endocrine disorder. Sometimes the pemphigus algae also are there. When kapha dosa is aggravation, the angioedema, leukoderma, diabetic due to obesity or metabolic syndromes, thyroid disease. This due to dosha are involved. How to identify the autoimmune disease, autoimmune disorder symptoms? It's autoimmune disorder symptoms identified by pulse. You check the pulse, vata nadi or kapha nadi, dosha, medical history and root cause. If patient or other complaints are also there, mandagani, malasanchaya, ojakshaya are also there. How to treat the autoimmune disease? Autoimmune disease is treated by so many factors. How the autoimmune disease cause? What are the main cause for the autoimmune disease? The main cause is significant a lack of neuritis, a localized problem, particular organs, axis mucus congestion in the body, lack of lubrication of the spine, cartilage and internal organs, and autonomic nervous system dysfunction, over medications like chemotherapy, organs failures that may be left undiagnosed, hormonal imbalance, toxicity, stress, worry, anxiety, genetics disorder are also the cause for the autoimmune disease. In Ayurveda, what the treatment are there for autoimmune disease? There is treatment according to Ayurveda. First of all, Shodhana Chikitsa, Shamana Chikitsa and Rashayana Chikitsa. Shodhana Chikitsa means you purify the body, purify the strotas by Panchakarma. Ayurveda describes the Panchakarma like Vamana, Virechana, Basti, Nashya, and the Rakta Mokshana are there. This is the Sodhana Chikitsa. This is the Samana Chikitsa. Samana Chikitsa by some herbal drugs are there in the Ayurveda, like Arogyavardhini, Gandhaka Rasayan, Guduchi, Vasa, Ashwagandha, Triphala, turmeric, Shatavari, and all of them. The lifestyle change is the most important for the autoimmune disorder. Lifestyle is the most important thing are there. According to Ayurveda, we can manage the autoimmune disease by lifestyle change, herbal remedies, stress management. This way we treat the autoimmune disease and we increase the immunity. Immunity is, what is the immunity? Immunity means the internal immunity, inbuilt capacity of the body to resist the harmful microorganism from entering their body, fighting against the pathogens. This is the body. Ayurveda declared that the Vyadhi Kshamatva are there. Vyadhi Kshamatva means Vyadhi Bala Virodhanam. Loss of vital immunity are there. And we can increase the immunity by Ayurvedic medicine. Thank you for Param Wellness. We discuss the disease of the true immunity is harmony with not resistance against oneself. Thank you very much. Param Wellness.